What is going on YouTube? This is your Paxton Seabeer bringing you yet another video of Packy Kicks. And for today's video for you guys today, I have a lot of boxes that came in the mail today, so a lot of pickups that I want to open up for you guys and show you guys what I got. But before we get into this pickup unboxing, please make sure to hit the like button for me as well as hit the subscribe button for me. I'd really appreciate if y'all did that. But with all that being said though, let's get right into the unboxings. So for the first pickups I got, the first item or box I have here came directly from the good people at FTP. If you guys don't know, FTP is a really popular streetwear brand that is, in my opinion, one of the more underrated, one of the more, not known as well brands. And I really love their clothing and the designs they do here. And they had a recent drop about a few weeks ago that they put out, and it actually took a long time to send this order out to me. They usually don't take that long, but for this one they did. But it's whatever though, I got it now. So I got the scissors here and opening this box up. One of the first things that we have here is a FTP olive long sleeve tee. Something really basic that I really wanted and something that I like a lot. We also have a nice little pink magenta FTP sticker right here as well. Very nice. But one of the main things in the FTP drop that I really liked that they have here is this all over print FTP pillow. So if you guys don't know, 2020 is FTP's 10th anniversary. So what they did was they took all their different logo designs and they pretty much just put it in all over print type of thing, and they put it in a pillow for this. And I do have the all over logo tee that they did over the summer, and it was only right to get the pillow as well because I actually love this design and it's super dope. So I'm actually gonna open this up and show you guys how it looks like. So this out of the packaging is very nice right here. The quality is absolutely insane, and it's just the detail of the different FTP logos all around it is just really nice in my opinion. So I'm really glad to have this. It is a very nice quality pillow too. I thought this pillow would be a lot smaller than it looks, but it actually isn't. So really glad to have this pillow. Super dope in my opinion, and really excited to have that. As for the t-shirt, let me show you guys the long sleeve. FTP long sleeve here is basically, like I said before, an all over olive color long sleeve tee, and it just says FTP on the chest. On the very back, in a very big print, it says FTP as well. Nothing too crazy with this little pickup right here. I like FTP shirts a lot because they're really cheap. They're like $30 tees, and it's just a basic, nice little design. So I absolutely love that. And these are my pickups I had from FTP. The next pickup comes in this very big FedEx box right here. Shout out to my boy Akia because he was able to find the shoe at a DTLR near him, and it was a shoe that's sold out online now and you can't really get it anywhere. So I'm really glad that he was able to get them for me for retail and pick them up for me. And I'm really excited to see how they look in person. So, all right, so that was a big box that he put that in. But opening the box up, we have here, as you guys can see, we have this crazy looking box that says ice cream on it, and it says Bubba Chuck flavor. So you guys might already know what shoe this is. This is the Reebok Iverson Question Low collab with ice cream. And when I first saw pictures of these, it was a nice shoe in my opinion, but it wasn't a shoe that I was like really looking forward to getting or anything. But I saw a few friends pick it up and they showed me it, and the quality looked insane on them, and I just kind of wanted to get them and take a look at them. But opening the shoe up, here we have the Reebok Question Low ice cream, and in person the quality is A1 on the sneaker, and it just looks super dope. The colors are really nice, really interesting looking and pop out shoe. You could tell that this is a collab right here. We have the ice cream running dog logo right there. We have on the tongue here where it says ice cream as well, or this is Iverson, and the other one says ice cream on the other shoe. And also here we got the little Bubba Chuck Reebok Iverson ice cream logo. So I just like the quality of the sneaker, and it's super dope. I'm not really a big fan of Iverson or Question Lows, but this one specifically is very nice, and just the execution just on the shoe is just insane, honestly. Like, they really went all out on this collaboration piece right here, and just a super dope shoe in my opinion. You know, I love questions, and another one added to the arsenal for me. So that is this pickup. Shout out to my boy Ikea once again for the hookup on this. So for the last pickup, I picked up this specific sneaker off a guy on Instagram, and this shoe was another one of these shoes that I really wanted a lot in my opinion. It was it wasn't creeping up there in price. The resale was still consistent on it. It was just that I really wanted this sneaker because it just looks so dope on feet, and I just think it's a really good looking shoe. And opening this box up, I'll show you guys what I got. Taking the sneakers out, the shoes we have is in a Nike box right here. And looking at the sizing tag, the shoe says Nike Dunk High SP, so you guys may have an idea of what specific shoe this could be. Opening the box up, I'm really excited to see this shoe in person. Oh damn, these is way nicer in person. We have the Nike Dunk High Michigan joints right here, and this is probably my favorite Dunk High to release so far this year. I do love the Varsity Maze joints that are coming out next week. I definitely need a pair of those, but this is another one of those top good ones as well. I just think they really killed it with this. It's a classic Nike Dunk High. It just looks super dope in hand, and I think the quality on this and the color blocking, you can't go wrong with it. It's a Michigan themed Nike Dunk High. Looks super dope, and one of those shoes that you could probably grab, beat up around, and you know, they still look clean, kind of like a Jordan 1 in a type of sense. So just in hand, the quality on them is great, and this was a shoe I've been looking at for a couple weeks now, and I finally pulled the trigger on these joints right here, and they're clean in quality and they're just super nice. So I'm really glad to pick this up. But this was kind of a long video, but that's pretty much all the pickups I had so far. I had a lot of boxes just come in the mail today, so I decided to do an unboxing video. And let me know in the comments what you guys do think of my pickups right here. Do you guys like them? Do you guys hate them? Let me know what pickups are your favorite. Was it the Iversons? Was it the Dunks right here? Or was it even my FTP pickups as well? Let me know in the comments below. Also, again, please make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for me. I'd really appreciate if y'all did that. And also give me a follow on Instagram and Twitch at Hasib_Mian. Both of those social medias are gonna be on the bottom left corner of this video. And once again, guys, I appreciate for watching today's video and for the continued support. So thank you for watching. Peace. Never see the sun, always see the night. Gang ain't just like them, no.